The new gull-wing door model is a high-performance sports car with excellent handling characteristics. Design highlights include the aluminum space frame. It's the first Mercedes-Benz automobile built entirely using this lightweight construction. And the transaxle powertrain with the new rear-set front engine and the transmission on the rear axle. Differential and axle drive share a single housing. A carbon prop shaft in the torque tube delivers the engine's power output. The powertrain has a low center of gravity, essential for a super sports car. Optimized weight distribution. A wide track. And a long wheelbase. Reduce the tire load when accelerating, braking, or in curves. The result? Excellent traction and grip, even in extreme situations. Driving performance is further improved by the design of the chassis. Double wishbone suspension on the front and rear axles. A concept transferred from the realm of sports racing ensures noticeably improved stiffness. Wheel control and wheel deflection are functionally separated. Thanks to the kinematics of the wishbones, the wheel camber is optimized in all driving conditions. Perfectly aligned spring struts guarantee excellent contact with the road and perfect feedback for the driver. The powerful rear-set front engine is based on the AMG 6.3-liter V8 engine. The rated output of 420 kilowatts or 571 horsepower is achieved with the help of a new designed air intake with large air filters mounted on the body. And an enhanced, streamlined fan-type exhaust pipe that improves the gas exchange cycle by discharging exhaust gas from the combustion chamber. The highlight of this engine is its dry sump lubrication, a technology developed for race cars without an oil pan, but a separate oil tank where the oil is evacuated. A controlled oil pressure pump lubricates the appropriate parts of the engine as needed. This ensures optimal oil supply even in extreme driving maneuvers. Without the oil pan, the vehicle's center of gravity is lower. The powerful 571 horsepower are transferred perfectly to the drive shaft when shifting gears. The new double-clutch transmission distributes the torque to two sub-gearboxes. One clutch closes, while the other one opens. Shifting gears is almost imperceptible, taking just a few hundredths of a second, and the throttle response is most impulsive. These engineering highlights, especially the light aluminum space frame and the transaxle powertrain with its rear-set front engine and double-clutch transmission, guarantee excellent handling and a most exciting driving experience. The new high-performance sports car for the pole position.